In order to give your campaign a name, it is important to use a specific naming convention and stay consistent when naming your ad campaigns, as this makes it so much easier for you to filter, slice, and analyze your campaign's performance in the future. A good naming convention provides the visibility in terms of which brand is this campaign for, what platform it's used in, and what is the theme of the terms used in this campaign, what is the targeted location, and whether it's a search or a display campaign. So here's the naming convention I use, and I'm going to show you how you can also use this naming convention for your campaigns. You can use this across all platforms, whether it's Google, Bing, or Facebook ads. Using this template for your campaigns will make them look a lot more professional and makes it a lot more easier to filter and manage your campaigns. You can download your free template by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So here's how it works. Brand initials are the initials of your business or of your client. So say for example, you got a business called Snowball. This is just a random name, just came to my mind. For Snowball, you take S from the first word and B from the second word and call it SB as the initial of that business. Then this leads to the platform name. Platform name is the platform that you are advertising on or where the campaign will be running. In this case, this will be Google Ads. For campaign, these are the terms that you are targeting. In this case, my client is in the beauty business and they want me to target these terms related to a threading treatment. Your target market is whichever country or city or location that you are targeting. In this case, I'm targeting UK, so I've added UK in my campaign. Then this leads to the placement. In this case, this is search because we're creating a search campaign. But if you're creating a display campaign or a video campaign, you can use display or video. Once you are on the campaign name builder template on Google Sheets, you can either create a copy to play around with on Google Sheets, or you can download this template to use in Microsoft Excel. You can do that by clicking on the file button here and then make a copy, or you can download this as Microsoft Excel file. You will notice that on this template there are two tabs. So the first tab is the campaign name generator tab, and the second tab is where you adjust the values, i.e. where the traffic will be coming from, the source and the medium and the site. So if we go back onto the campaign name generator tab, the first column that we see is the final URL. I have already added the final URL here because this is where I'll be sending the traffic to. The second column is the site column. Here you can select which site this specific campaign is for. You can, for me, this belongs to SE business, whereas if you want to change this to your business or your client's business, you can simply click on adjust values here and you can change this to whichever business you want. So you can add a new business here. Say if I add a business called XE, I can simply add that there on the site column and then go back to campaign name generator tab and then click on the drop down and select XE as the site that this campaign is for. But for this one now, we'll change it back to SE. The third column is the source. So which platform will the traffic be coming from? In this case, this will be from Google Ads. The medium is a paid medium. So you can either use paid here, or in this case, I'm using CPC. You can also use terms included in the parameters for your campaign, but I will not use the term and content in this specific campaign. So however, I will need to give the name of the campaign. So because this campaign is targeting a threading treatment, I will just need to add threading terms in the campaign name. The target market is whichever country that you are targeting. In my case, I'm targeting the UK for this specific campaign, and the placement is where your campaign will be running, i.e. whether it's a search campaign, it's a display campaign, or it's a video campaign. In my case, it's a search campaign. Once I've added the placement search, I can see that the campaign name has now been completed. I can simply copy this campaign name from here and use in my campaign. If you know Excel data validation, you can further modify these cells to your advantage. There are other naming conventions available online. You can also use the naming convention used by funnel.io. I have provided the link to that template in the description below. If you have learned something new in this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I intend to share with you lots of knowledge related to digital marketing. So let's catch up in the next video.